Is your garage door stuck or not closing evenly? The problem might be with the tracks. In the Barrack Heights area, bent or misaligned tracks are a common issue that disrupts the smooth operation of your garage door, causing it to get stuck or move unevenly. Ignoring this can lead to further damage and potential safety hazards. Don't let a small issue become a big problem. Call us at 0409774111 for expert garage door repair services. Our team of qualified professionals in Barrack Heights is ready to realign and repair your door's tracks, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Get your garage door fixed right. Call today.